I thought that might happen. A lot of power on that thing. Finally got a day off work. Hey, buddy. Supposed to go flying today, but President Obama's in town, so can't fly. Instead, I'm gonna catch up on some desperately needed errands. Post office, laundry, and grocery shopping. And I know all those are pretty boring. I'm mailing a phone to my parents in Boston, who are then gonna fly to Ecuador with it and give it to my little brother Lucas, who's been hanging out on the side of a mountain there and lost his phone. It's gotta be like the longest traveled phone. So I'm gonna make a video with some footage from random stuff that I haven't put together. Dudes are about to do some aerial photography. So these guys have a camera mounted to the helicopter. They're about to go do a photo shoot of the children's hospital. I haven't made a video since I got back from Florida. Today's too exciting of a day not to share though. This is my new job I went out to Florida for. Get to work on these planes. Eventually I'll be flying them. They use these for banner tow operations, so they tow big banners behind the planes. Hey, so I got a new car. Model X, baby. Set up a time lapse so I get this edit going. And that's about it.